Yo, what is going on, guys? It's the host of Chewy and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to start an Amazon FBA business. But first I'm going to show you that I actually do Amazon FBA. And then this is a screenshot that I took today. As you can see, I did around 140k in sales within the last 6 months. My goal for every single year is to keep increasing 50% every single year. But okay guys, let's get started. So Amazon FBA can be confusing because there's 3 types of ways that you can get started. So the first way is private label, and that's when you create your own personal product. And then you usually get it from China and you have to put your own spin into it. And then number 2 is wholesale, and that's when you buy at wholesale price and then sell it on Amazon. And then number 3 is online arbitrage. And then this is the way that I do Amazon FBA. But with this way, you buy from a retail website like Walmart, Target, Kohl's, or wherever you can get your items from. But okay, let me show you how I find profitable products every single day. And now we're going to go on to the 2 tools you absolutely need. So the first one, and my personal favorite, is SellerAmp. And then the other one's Keepa. And if you're thinking about getting started with Amazon FBA, make sure you check the links down below, because these are affiliate links. So if you want to help out the channel, that'll be a great way to do it. So I'm going to start off with this product because I've sold it before. And let me show you why I purchased this product really quick. So for one, the ROI was extremely good and the profit margins were extremely good. And then another thing that I like to look at is the best sellers rank. And this one right here, I like to go 100k and under, because the lower the BSR, the more sells. So I want my items to sell extremely quick. And then number 3 is the Keepa chart looked really solid. And even though it dropped down to $28, it was still going to sell extremely fast, and I was going to be making a very good profit. Now I'm going to show you exactly how I found this product. Before we keep the show going though, make sure you subscribe so this video reaches more people. But okay guys, I'm going to show you guys the process really quick. So I'm going to scroll all the way down. I'm going to click on the last sellers. And then what I usually like to do is I like to search by brand name, just because I find it easier, if you're in a specific niche, to keep looking for those types of items, so then your knowledge keeps compounding a lot faster. Like this item right here I haven't found. I haven't checked out this one, so I'm going to hit the Amazon link. And then this one I haven't found, so I'm going to check the Amazon link. I'm going to skip that one, I'm going to check these ones out to see how they're doing. And now this is my process right here. So, and then this, okay, looks like I've already tried this item, so I'm going to back out of this one and then go on to this one. And then all I do is hit the Google button. And then I try to see if I can, let me see if this will work, or if there's any other sizes for this. So here's what I like to do. I come down here and then go to variations. And then I hit new to see which ones are selling a lot. So it was the 5.5. So let me just click on it over here. Okay, so now we're going to see if we can find this at $95. So we didn't find it at $95, but let me see if there's any other stores that carry it and see if I can find it at a profitable price. So it doesn't seem like we're going to be able to find this one. And then I checked the variations and the price isn't not high enough, so I'm going to skip this one and then I'm going to go on to the next one. So I'm going to do the same thing again. Hit Google on this one. And let me see. So this one I need to pay around 106. Oh. Let me see if this is the same one. I don't think it is, but let me see if it is. Mid sneaker adult. So no, that's not the same thing, so I'm gonna skip that one and see if I can find it at 105 ish. Boys, no. At 110, no, that's not the high top though, or the mid top. So now I'm gonna skip on to the next one and I'm gonna check these ones out. Alright, so now we're gonna scroll down and then it says $75, but I don't think I can get it at that. But I'm gonna check really quick. So actually it's $44. I'm gonna try to get it at and see if I can find it. Oh, maybe if this is the same thing. Revolution 5, but this is a wide shoe. So I'm gonna, oh, never mind. You can get them on regular sizes. But let me see. First I'm just gonna go down to variations. Hit new, and so these ones are, this one's gray. black. See if I can find these ones. Because I for sure know that Nike has this one, but I don't know if they have up to a size 15. So I'm going to check this really quick. Go down, hit Google, and I'm going to get rid of these two. And these ones might work. If they have a size 15. So they have size 12. So I'm going to see how the size 12s are doing. So I hit size 12. And $55. So that's not going to work. So I'm just going to go on to the next one. And, okay. So I've never looked at these ones. But I'm going to skip those. This one I'm going to skip because bestsellers rank is too high. This one I'm going to check. Okay, so now we're going to check this item. Go to Google and see if we can find it. No. I don't think that's the same one. No, it's not the same one. So now go on to the next one. The blue ones. Let me see if I can find this all blue. No. Was it like this one? Yeah, it's this one. Let me see if I can find it. So $100. And this one's $89. So this one's not gonna work, so I'm gonna move on to the next one. And I'll be right back with you guys when I find something profitable. Because as you can see, the process is super easy. It's like basically the same thing. You just have to find it at a profitable price. Alright guys, so I finally found a profitable product. And all I did was, I found it off this page, from the Selleram page. And then I went to Google. And then it was this one right here. So they're on Nike for sale right now. So hopefully by the time you're watching this video, they're still on sale so you can get them. But the size that we're looking at is a size 6. So we're going to look for the size 6 and see if they have them. And they do. So you would just buy these and then add them to cart. And then make sure you use Rakuten because they'll give you 6% cash back for right now. And make sure you're using a credit card too, so then that way you're getting cash back on the credit card and then cash back with your Rakuten account. Okay guys, so this is pretty simple, but it takes time to find some products. Like this one, it took me about 10 minutes to find this product. But okay guys, this has been everything and I'll see you guys later.